Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert address symbol in Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. So if you want to insert classic house symbol, you need to type 1 F 3 E 0 and press Alt X all together. You can select it, go to the home and can change the effect like this one. Another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key. This is the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to type 1 2 7 9 6 8 and then release the Alt key. So this will instantly paste the address symbol. If you want to insert just a location pin, then you need to type 1 F 4 C D and press Alt X all together. If you want to show the address symbol as a mail icon, then you need to type 2709 and press Alt X all together. Or you can hold down the Alt key and press 9993 and release the Alt key. Moreover, there is another way. You can press window key, press semicolon key all together. So this will appear emoji panel. You need to click on this search icon and type home, and here you can see that home symbols. You can also type mail, and these are the mail. Another way is that you need to click on insert, click on the icons, and in the search box type home, hit enter, and here you can type different home address symbol like this one. You can resize it. Moreover, you can change the graphic format. For this you need to select the symbol, go to the graphic format, and here's some graphic styles. You can use any of them which you like most, like this one. So with this way you can easily insert address symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.